Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And sadly, my dear friends, I do not have levels for today. I have been looking at the chart of gold for quite some time, and honestly speaking, no level is working right now very well. I have tried static support resistance, I have tried Fibonacci, I tried few indicators also, but I could understand that this chart is not following any levels as of now. So my dear friends, you must be very careful. See, I am a trader, so I know when you should be trading and when you should not be trading. If you have considerable experience in the market, if you know how to tackle the chart of gold, then you can go for it. But if you are a new trader, beginner, if your capital is very less, if your capital is at least below $500, then I'll suggest you that you should be avoiding the market right now, at least the chart of gold. Because one thing is certain, that market is under the dominance of sellers. Okay, there is no doubt about it. And if we look at the trend of the market here, then yes, we can very much see that market is in downtrend right now. And if we just try to analyze the chart or try to understand the body language of the chart also, then also it speaks the same language, that yes, sellers are dominating the market right now. But as you can see, the market is trying to recover, or market is trying to go up. So if you have a buy position right now, you can be on the buy position. But if you are looking for a fresh entry into the market, then I think that selling is the best opportunity till here, because as of now, we do not have any clarification, any news regarding the trend reversal of the gold. So as of now, considering the trend of the market, I think it is better to look for selling opportunities only. The only thing that I have observed right now is that more or less, okay, listen to me carefully, more or less the blue line, which is the 50 moving average, is acting as dynamic resistance of the market. So you can use the 50 moving average, and when market will be hitting the 50 moving average, observe the market. Okay, if market is following this pattern, then yes, there is a possibility, high chance of market reversing, because it looks like a sell on rise market where the 50 moving average is playing as a dynamic resistance. So in that case, we can take a sell position. So the 50 moving average can be one selling opportunity, and that you can also see that I have drawn a trend line. Honestly speaking, I am not much confident about the trend line, but still I'm just trying. Okay, you can also try it. Okay, so overall, I'm thinking that around 1840 there can be a selling level. Okay, if we see market reversing, we can take a sell position. But if you do not want to trade, that will also be a good decision, because honestly this is not a good, because as I have already said, no level is working fine right now, no tool is working good. See, yesterday when market was coming down, I told you that we have a support around 1832, but still I requested all of you not to take a buy position blindly. I told you that you should be observing the market first around 1832, because market was breaking the previous low and market was going down. Keep in mind, my dear friends, market is still following the same pattern. Market is not respecting the previous lows. As a result, we do not have any proper support right now. Yes, around 1810 level, we can have a small bounce of around 20-30 pips, 40 pips, that's it. But I think that the next big support on the chart of gold will be around 1780 again. If you guys have been trading for quite few months and years, then you probably you know the importance of 1780 to 1790. This was the level that acted as a strong support and resistance for quite some time. So I think that we will be seeing this level again. So as of now, just be safe, be safe. You can take a sell position. I'm not giving any buy call, and again I'll say, use proper risk management, because market is very volatile right now. We must be careful. Protect your hard-earned money, not honey. Protect your hard-earned money and capital, because a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. If market falls, to 1780, 1790 level and bounces, go for a buy position if you see a proper bounce. But if market reverses from this selling zone, you can take a sell position. Apart from these two levels, I think that it is better to avoid the chart of gold right now, because मार्केट किसी का सगा नहीं होता है, मार्केट किसी का नहीं होता है, तो खुद को बचा के चलना पड़ता है। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।